Hey Charlie, I'm just going to be pretty quick here. So yeah, I see you've got a toy background, but I don't know if you can see this, but you really can't see the caricature. It's just really not standing out. I mean, if you look at Erin's, I just gave her feedback, so it's open. See how the caricature stands out? Because the background's plain, right? It's got a lot of negative space. I mean, it's not totally plain, but it does have, it's simple. So the idea is to really get a simple background where the caricature can stand out. Again, I'm still seeing these mask fragments. From your mask, I can see the little lines here. So I really would, I really would suggest working with this. You do need 2 adjustment layers anyway, so be sure to look at those requirements. So I'm just going to look and see what, I mean, that's what it would look like making it lighter and then making it darker. Yeah, you just need to find an image that has more negative space. Can you see this though, that you can't see this? It just all looks like one big background. It's just too busy. So again, if you look at the top, this is the top of this thread, and you look at, again, I'm showing you these, I've showed you a bunch of times, but see why this is working? Just really study the background. The background is very simple. That's why the caricature stands out. The background is darker and there's enough negative space where you can see the text. Same here, negative space. And again, he struggled with this because before he made it dark, the flames were really too strong. But again, see the background? It's really a lot darker, so the caricature's standing out. Simple background. They made this background, but they left enough negative space. Again, simple, a lot simpler. That's not a very good one. So, and again, they made this background, so this is very simple. So again, be sure to also look, because I'm not sure if you're reading this stuff, because this is what I grade from, and I post them every week if you haven't noticed. So when you read all this stuff, it says right here, background allows caricature to stand out. Really important, unique type treatment. That doesn't just mean type. It means that something has to be done to the type, right? And again, it will go over, and there is something where you do have to add some adjustment layers for the next week. So again, a type treatment is something, that they've done something to the type. They've added some layer effects. They've done, here they've put the text on different words, on different layers, and really worked with it. So again, where is your type? Yeah, I really do suggest split. I mean, I've already said this so many times. I don't know. I know students don't view these. I probably just like broken record, huh? But if you put the words on different layers, then you can move it around. You don't have to move it as a big block, and you just have a lot more flex. But do you see that you can't see this? And again, it's still kind of back. If you look, at that post, that announcement that I posted, let me go back up here, about legible text. So just really have a, read through some of this stuff, because it really, it really does help. Info and resources, creating legible text. So do you see that you can't see this because it's on, all the text is on a complicated background? That's exactly what yours is looking like. Same here, right? And the same with imagery. You can't put imagery on a complicated background. You can't read this, right? I mean, and this is too dark on dark also doesn't work. So anyway, you can always grab me on Google Hangouts if you have questions. I'm available a lot. I haven't gotten really any emails, or you haven't contacted me, so I don't know what you're having problems with or whatever. Okay, so anyway, changing the name is good, and looking for different background, but find a background that's simpler. Okay.